Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and we're going to go over how you'd replace your license plate light. It'd be the same concept for both sides, but this license plate light, we need to just take a screwdriver and you just kind of push it to the left or toward the outside of the vehicle a little bit. You can see this tab presses in a little bit, and that's what you're pushing so that you can pull this down. And then you pull the light down, twist it out to unlock, and then you can pull the light bulb out. This light bulb here is a 168, so you get a new 168, and then you take your light bulb, press it in there until it snaps in, and then line this up and twist it to the right to lock it all into place. And then start with this tab going in on this side. And just snap it back into place. And so that's how you replace your license plate light on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.